Hey everyone, Sarah Barnes-Humphrey here at FourKites Visibility 2023 in Chicago. And with me right now is Mica. Hi Mica, how you doing?
I'm good. How are you?
So good. I mean, the energy in here is incredible, right?
Is
Why
it?
don't you tell everybody who you are and what you do?
My name is Mica D'achille. I work for US Foods, which is a national food distributor, and I manage our carrier performance.
Amazing. So talk to us about your highlights so far at Visibility. What have you learned? What have you seen? What have you spoken about?
Yeah, I was able to attend the innovation workshops yesterday, and they really highlighted their AI capabilities. And that was even before we met Finn, their AI bot. So it was really cool to see what they're doing with AI and kind of them in the foreground of that.
I like that name, right?
Finn, I know.
Yeah, and it's interesting how they came up with that, but that's a story for another day.
Sure.
So let's talk about what is keeping you up at night when you think about your supply chain.
Well, I deal a lot with our trucking companies in the transportation space. And there's been a lot of strikes on kind of impending strikes or, labor deals that have been in question. So that is always something that we worry about. And FourKites has highlighted today that they have the ability to kind of show us disruptions in the network and how that could affect our shipments and how we can kind of use that to plan. So I thought that was a really cool tool that we'll be able to kind of use to our advantage in the future.
Yeah, disruptions, strikes, weather. I mean, you must deal with disruptions on a regular basis. It's kind of the new normal for you.
Yeah.
But let me ask you a question. How do you explain what you do or supply chain in general to your family?
Well, when I graduated college, I explained it as the best way to guarantee a job. But now it's more kind of, everything you see in a store, in the grocery store, it's everything that it takes to get it there. Basically from its original source, manufacturing, to how they purchase it, and everything in between. So it really just depends how bored they want to get in the conversation.
Oh, come on. It's the most exciting topic to talk about.
I love it.
And we've been talking about supply chain all day, and we're going to continue to do that. So thank you, Mica, for joining me at Visibility 2023.
Thanks for having me.